Hey guys, it's iTech1 here. So it hasn't been that long since the release of the 2018 flagship iPhones, and we are already getting bombarded with tremendous amounts of rumors, prototype leaks, and wish lists for Apple's next smartphone lineup. What I've noticed for the past few weeks is that the most talked about feature for the iPhone 11 is that triple lens rear-facing camera rumored to be only on the high-end model. Through multiple reports, we knew that Apple was going to add a third lens on a future iPhone even before the release of the 2018 iPhones. But the triple lens camera came into the spotlight again after a reliable leaker, OnLeaks, rendered and unveiled a prototype of what could be the next iPhone. And this new design didn't sit well with a lot of iPhone fans. I mean, yeah, it doesn't look all that great. I wasn't ever a big fan of bulky cameras on the iPhone because I still find it annoying how you can't have your phone sitting flat on a table. My personal favorite camera design ended with the iPhone SE back in 2016, which was the last iPhone to escape the bump, and now each and every iPhone has been getting a bump since then, and it seems to be getting even bulkier and larger over the years. This new triple lens setup takes a decent amount of space on the back and it just looks very strange. Now, I'm sure we were all getting used to it though, like we did with the notch, but then came the Prototype 2 a week ago, which I personally liked more because of how compact it looks compared to the other version, and it's an interesting design with how the flash is wrapped around that middle lens. Not so sure if I like the camera setup being right in the middle though. I think it would look perfect if the setup could be placed in the same position as the iPhone X and XS cameras. This way we would still have the advantages of that third lens, yet don't have to go through a dramatic camera design change. I found a couple more amazing concepts over social media which most likely won't make it to the next iPhone, but they are still pretty cool to look at. Like this one where the triple lens are in a vertical line with the flash placed all the way on the bottom. This one is great too, where the flash is placed right between two of the lenses out of the three. And this one is the coolest one I found, which has the lens in a line with the flash wrapped around them. Now all of these are pretty cool concepts, but with these two prototypes supposedly circulating around iPhone manufacturing plants, we're probably going to end up with one of these. But if you had the chance to choose the design for the iPhone 11, which one would you choose out of these camera designs? Let me know in the comments below. If you're new to my channel, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up, share, and most importantly subscribe for more videos around Apple devices. So until next time guys, take care.